How to see other people's best friends list on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually go ahead and see someone's best friends list on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to actually go ahead and then find out someone else's best friends list, normally you can just go ahead and open the Snapchat app. You can come to the chat page and then you can go to the profile page of any specific people here. When you go to the profile page on the specific people, far away from actually seeing their best friends list, you will not be even able to see the normal friends list that they have or even the mutual contacts. That's simply it. You will not be able to find someone else's. That is against the Snapchat's policy and their guidelines. There are still some of the ways you can figure out if you are in mutual contact with them, and that is that whenever you come to your friends section over here by tapping the profile icon, and then when you come to your my friends section, in this case you will be able to see all these people. And if you go to the quick add section, right, going to add friends, all of these people are showing in your quick add because they have some type of mutual connection with you. So it could mean, or they could not mean as well, that they're in the best friends list or even the friends list of someone else. Sometimes they're synced from your contacts, sometimes they're synced from someone else's best friends list. Hope this video helped you understand your question as to whether or not you can see someone else's best friends list. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.